Hello everyone. Today we shall look into a scenario where we need employees whose salary is more than the average salary in a corresponding department. Here we shall look into the data. For example, this is our employee salary details where we have ID, employee name, salary and respective department. For example, if this is a question where we need to find all the employees greater than the average salary, if it is the question where salary of employees is greater than the average salary of all departments. Okay, if this is the scenario, our query would be like this: select employee name and I could say department and salary. Okay, from which table? Employee salary table. Okay, and here if we bring these three columns, you could see that we have got the three columns of the respective table. Now we will apply a condition where salary is greater than, we'll write a subquery where select average of salary from EMP salary. So this will provide us the respective average salary of all the departments, which is 60850, and if we run this particular query, we'll get those employees and their departments where it is their salaries are greater than the average of all departments combined salaries, you could say average. So here it is not the scenario, we need to find out the average salary in the respective department. So what we would do is, here I'll for this main question I'll show the method 1. Okay, let us find out the respective average salaries. I'll write select average salary, okay, as avg underscore salary, comma, department, okay, from EMP salary table. We need to group by department because we need department wise average salaries. So if we run this query, we'll get all the average salaries with respect to a particular department. So what we shall do is, we can include this within CTE to use this table. Okay, I'll write with CTA as, and I could close the bracket here, and in the next line I could write select. Okay, for this CTE we can give a name. For example, I'll write from CTE and we can give a name like C. Here from the employee table we want employee name. Okay, I'll write the employee table using a join. Here we want department from employee table as well as salary from employee table. Okay, or you could say you can join EMP salary. I can give this aliases as E. I can join, or you could say inner join CTE table as C. Okay, and on the basis of E dot department is equal to C dot department. This is the common column depending on which we need to bring the salary and compare it. So here we'll write a where condition where E dot salary is greater than average salary. So if we look into this, for example, I'll run the above query by selecting this. For accounting, the average salary is 58,750. Now using this query which I have written, if we select and run, you could see that we'll get the respective department employees Mary Johnson and Emily Wilson where salaries are greater than 58,000 for accounting department. I hope you have understood this query. Let me explain another method using a window function. Here I'll write method 2 where we shall understand the query using this window function. Okay, I'll write this query first. Select average of salary Okay, I'll put a comma here, or else you could write average of salary over partition by department. You could name it as average salary. Okay, and to include all the columns, what you could do is, to include all the columns, I can write star comma, and then I could give this average of salary, and here I could write from employee salary. Okay, if I run this, you'll come to see this table where average salaries of respective department is provided. Now I'll make this a CTE. I'll write with CTE as, okay, and I could include within the parentheses, and here I'll write the query which is required. Select star from CTE where salary is greater than average salary. So I can select this query, run, and show you these are the same 10 people where we have got the respective salaries which are greater than the average salaries. Okay, these are two methods where where you could quickly find out all the employee details whose salaries are greater than the average salary of respective departments. I hope this is understandable. This is all for today. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.